function, and suddenly you're demoted and sent to deliverance territory. What the hell are you doing here?
Ryan. You know him?
Yeah. No. You wishes you didn't know me. I thought I dropped you out yourself.
We'll take him back.
And send you to the Sahara? One demotion this week is enough.
I'll have it.
What are you doing here?
Every day goes first.
You disappear for a month and come back with a sense of humor?
I've been tracking Chloe down. The question is, how did you get here?
Feminine charm. Yes, I do have